Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing Songmaker and configuring tempo, scale, and instrument so your ideas translate musically. Once done, pick a comfortable BPM between 60 and 140 and set major or minor to shape mood. Then use the grid to place notes and beats with 1/4 or 1/8 resolution. This gives clear rhythmic structure. Make sure to audition sections immediately. Play small loops while you add or remove notes, so you hear how harmony and rhythm. You now develop motifs by composing a 2 to 4 bar phrase that becomes your track's identity. Once you have that hook, repeat it with slight variations in interval or rhythm to maintain interest. Make sure to layer percussion under the melody. Switch instruments or pan elements left/right to create space. Use accents, softer velocities, and intentional rests to create phrasing and groove. These small dynamics help the ear follow the song and give your loop emotional contour. You finish by balancing parts, muting extras, and creating a clear arrangement. Decide loop length, add a defined ending or fade, and export. Once done, use the export link or save audio to share your song. If something sounds off, diagnose timing or harmony, quantize misaligned notes or nudge note positions, and try a small tempo change to fix groove issues. If export fails, reload the page and re-export. Your project link usually restores work, so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.